Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you what I won from DragonRageVideos. I thought I'd give this a shot and surprisingly I won. Yeah, so I just received this probably almost a week ago now. I've been pretty busy, so I haven't opened this yet. So I'm just gonna see what's going on in here. As far as I know, I'm pretty sure he mentioned there's going to be a mix of English, Japanese, and Korean. Japanese and English I collect. Korean, not exactly, but my wife has opened up Korean before, which you can check in the channel that I have. I can get this open. Maybe I use the wrong tool here. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. So, it's got a lot of protective gearing there, which is good. Oh, what you know? Oh, that's cool. So it looks like he's been watching my coin collection as well. This is a dedication coin, $2 coin, which is an Olympic as well. So that's cool. Not sure if I got these dedication. I'll have to find out. But anyway, that's a great collection there. Cool. So I got some of these, which is good. Nothing else there. Might leave that for last. So we got some celebrations, and he said these were mixes. So yeah, he's resealed them. I'll have to find out how to open it. Okay, looks like I need scissors. Alright, let's see what we got here. Team Yo Tower, Gym Trainer, Crystal Cave. Oh, a lot of trainers here. Some trainers are pretty good because I've been playing with my son now and my younger daughter, so trainers come in handy. Maple, old PC, Heroes Medal. Energy card, Luxio, Castform, Steenie, Scraggy, Eevee, Morpeko, Mincino, Sableye, Graveler, Weezing. Let's see what else we got. Energy card. Oh, okay, so this is Japanese. So yeah, S6K. I'm not sure which edition that is. S6K. So I'll have to find out what edition these are. Oh, hold on. Okay. So I recognize these characters. These are Korean. So that's Korean there. Korean. Oh, cool. That's a Holo Korean. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's right. And this lot. Let me see what's in this one here. Okay, alright, so let me see. Grudon, Reshiram, Ho-Oh, Popplio, and Zacian V. And let's see what we got here. Oh wow, okay. That's cool. It's Calyrex V? I think that's how you pronounce it. What's that from? I think that's Chilling Rain. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, oh, that is really great. It's actually pretty good condition too. Nice. Anyway, I thought I'd give a shout out to Dragon Rage, and I'll provide a link in the comments, in the description actually, and yeah, check out his videos. He does, yeah, do a lot of videos. I don't know, almost daily, I think. I'm not sure where he finds the time, but anyway, go check it out. And that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.